Well, it's a bright and clear and crispy October morning, and I'm off to some adventure. I hope you watched part one of this video where I went over to my friend's house and collected all of the parts from a South Bend 9-inch tool room lathe. And this morning I'm going to grab another friend, and away we go to about 30 miles away to pick up this lathe. And yes, good morning. This is Mr. Pete, your YouTube shop teacher, and let's have a great adventure today. Well, I've got my old decrepit trailer ready to go, and in the car I have jacks and timbers, and I'm going on down just like Big John. And I hope I have everything that I need to make this move. And it's going to be a little bit tense trying to get that 800-pound item onto the trailer. I've got ramps if needed, so we'll see how that goes when we get there. And now I'm off, and I'll see you in 45 minutes. Well, it's a bit of a curvy driveway. Good morning, mister. I think I got it in pretty good position here. You know, Russ. Oh, is it dark in here? Let there be light. And there it is. All we gotta do is scoot it out, I hope. Through this door. There, Russ. Lee, you don't need help.
I'm going to help no matter what.
You want me on the back end or the front end?
Back end. You want to...
Hit a bump.
Alright, stop this.
You know, that way if it starts to slide one way or the other, we got a little tension on it.
Alright, we'll get the winch all hooked up and see what happens here. I don't think it's going to slide without trying it. You think we should manually move it up a little bit to speed things up? Hit crank it, Lee. Is anything happening?
I'm having trouble with the container.
You know, these feet are, I don't know what that's all about, but it's digging in.
Yeah.
Are they just spinning? Or are they both? Oh, I think we're gonna have to choke up the chain now. You think we can bring it all the way up?
I don't think you should.
I think the weight should be over the edge.
I agree.
Yeah.
If we can chain it there, I think we should just,
I think that's
I wouldn't,
all right.
would probably leave the winch on it and leave the winch around it and then chain it this way. What do you think?
All right, we've got it loaded up and bound down pretty well. I'm sure they won't come loose until we drive about a quarter mile. And all the chains will be sagging.
Except for this one.
Yeah. Well, we made it home safely with expired license plates. Let's see if we can get it straight. Wait, we're gonna get it up. Here we go. Stop. Produce a pain in the ass. Never trust a YouTube creator. And then right in here. Perfect. Well, there it stands. I'm glad to get home safely. No pinched fingers, no sore toes. Had plenty of help from my buddies. So the next step over the winter will be to clean it up, get the sawdust off of it. I'm not going to paint it. And then I got to put it together, and I'll have videos of that. I hope you enjoyed this little venture. And remember, this was in the LP high school. My dad was the teacher at that time, and then my brother bought it from the school and then sold it to my friend, and you saw him in the picture. That was his house. And he's downsizing, so here it is, just what I need, one more lathe. Okay, now the lathe is home and it's just filthy dirty, and I'm enlisting the help of my wife to try to clean this up a little bit before I paint it. A little harder than that, please. Is that my toothbrush or yours? Huh?
I think it's mine.
Well, if you do a good enough job on that, I'll take you to Wendy's tonight and you can have anything you want up to $4. Well, that's just about enough fun for today, and I hope you enjoyed the adventure in showing how to load and unload a heavy piece of machinery, and it pays to have good friends to help. If you like this kind of video, give me a thumbs up and smash that like button and subscribe and all of that other foolishness. It helps a lot. And leave a comment, and it can even be a critical one. So with that in mind, this is Mr. Pete saying so long for now, and I'll see you in my next video. And this is a big project, isn't it? You missed a spot. That's better. Let me know when it's done, and because I'm going to go in and take a nap. Make sure you get your rag under there and get that casting. It has to be real clean, you know. Thank you. What do I owe you?
Wendy's.
Wendy's?